I'm vlogging you. What you doing? Homework?
Yeah.
It's late. And we're tired. But Brandon didn't want to do lazy vlog and make my life easier. How'd work go?
Busy.
Very busy?
Oh yeah. Busiest Friday night we've had in months.
My throat feels weird. Ever since I drank the new tea you got me.
Huh.
Do you think there's something in there that irritated my throat?
I don't know.
That's unusual for tea, isn't it?
No, wait. That's not what I was supposed to do.
I was coughing earlier too. So maybe I made my throat sore. I don't know. It feels weird. Like a sore, scratchy feeling.
Oh hey, they released the new trailer for the next Star Trek movie. It's another one directed by J.J. Abrams, and it looks like they assembled the same cast as the first Star Trek movie a couple years ago.
Spock?
Yep.
Zachary Quinto Spock?
Yep.
He's a good Spock.
Didn't Leonard Nimoy handpick him to play Spock?
I don't know if he handpicked him, but he said he is a good Spock. I know at least that much.
I like how they worked Leonard Nimoy into the Star Trek movie.
What are you doing? Get down. Oh. Wow, that's still up there? I couldn't get it off because it was tangled. But then again, I am short and I just tried to pull on it and that didn't work. Yeah, that didn't sound very good. There's a blade laying on the floor. Want to tell him what he did?
I came down from the bathroom and he looked at me and was like, meow, and got off my seat.
He was sitting right there.
He's like, kept it warm, bye.
And Brandon's working on homework and I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. I think I'm almost done with season 6. Can you believe I watched that much Grey's Anatomy so quickly?
I'm trying to get homework done because Jens isn't allowed to do homework on her birthday.
You're doing a really good job, aren't you?
Everything I have left is due Tuesday the 11th.
Yeah. Well, you've got tomorrow to work on it.
Yeah. I want to get my final project done for my computer class quick because I don't want to be trying to upload that on the day it's due because I don't know how busy the servers are going to be.
Your battery is gonna die.
Yeah.
So, anything else you want to say to the internet?
Blade says, don't smoke weed. Do cocaine like an adult.
Don't say that. Don't use our baby to promote drugs. I mean, and besides, look at that face. Look at that face. Like seriously.
Blade says...
That's clearly a pothead face.
Blade says Ron Paul 2016. Blade says, I voted for Gary Johnson.
That's a good one.
Hey, Gary Johnson did set records for libertarian support.
Hello. Hey. Look at me with those big eyes. Look at me. Hey.
You're right. Mittens is the one that would say do cocaine like an adult.
No, he wouldn't.
Turn off the camera so I can ask you and you can agree.
No. Look at him. He wants attention. Better pet him. He chirps. Every
What?
time he chirps, I gasp. Every time we catch it on film.
I wonder if I ignore him long enough if I can get him meowing. What? What do you want? No.
Please, Daddy, please.
What do you want? What's your problem?
Like, pet me, 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 pet me.
What do you want?